So good morning, Francisco.
Good morning.
Well, we're going to talk a little bit about the activities you work with in during the class today. The topic of the class was
About what did you do last summer and about a lesson about your vacations were the two topics.
the students basically talk about what they did on their last vacation,
Yes.
right? Well, in the first activity that I observed, they had to read a paragraph or a text from the book on page 8.
Yes.
And what kind of activity you think it is? We have three kinds: cognitive, affective, and physical activities. This activity, it is for you
Cognitive.
a cognitive,
Okay. Yes.
activity, and I want to make sure what was your purpose with this activity.
First they have to they practice the reading and then they have to remember what they read to answer the question about the lessons. And after that, with the other activity about what did they do last summer, they have to review or remember about their vacations of last year. So they have to put their emotions about what did they do. Maybe they go to do something fun, or maybe they didn't do nothing, or I don't know, maybe they work, I don't know. So that's imply their emotions
The emotions in that's in activity
too.
in activity 2.
Uh-huh.
Well, because I got two between the first and the second activity. I have
Okay.
two more. When you ask them questions
Yes.
about the reading,
Uh-huh.
some of them pass and wrote the answers
Yes,
to such
yes,
questions.
yes.
And then in that one, when they had to write about their last vacation, where you say that they had to report back, they involve affective. An affective activity as well as a cognitive
Yes.
activity, right?
Yes.
So, do you think there's a balance between the activities in your class? I mean, we have three main kinds of activities. We have cognitive, affective, and physical activities. So,
Yes, I try to make those three kinds. Maybe today we only use one or two, but I try to do it per week, at least the three, but in a week maybe.
how often do you plan affective activities in your lessons? How often do you plan them?
Maybe I don't. Maybe two or I don't know how to say, but maybe 2 or 3 times
A month, a week,
month, maybe.
a month.
Maybe.
Okay. So, but the most that you apply or you use in your classroom is the cognitive,
Yes.
right? Like cognitive activities. Okay. So, what do you think about it? Is it a good idea just to use one kind of activities?
No, it's,
Or why?
I think it's better to try to involve the three activities at least every week or every month. But is the best to do it not only one always. It's better to do maybe once a week or once a month the three activities,
Why?
because they can involve their feelings, they can involve their physical skills, yes, and their knowledge.
Their knowledge.
Yes.
So do you think they would learn much better if they involve three activities, the three kinds of activities.
Yes, and they can feel the class more dynamic,
Yeah.
and they can have fun at the same time they learn.
All right. So, for example, can you name some affective activity that you can work with in further classes?
Affective.
Effective.
I don't know. Maybe. Maybe if I check the book or the lessons, maybe I can find something that they can.
For example, you work with the smart talks.
Mhm.
The smart talks, they are these activities where they practice and with a partner and they get involved with each
Okay,
other.
yes.
And those are kind of effective activities because
Okay.
they get together and just
Okay,
change
yes,
information
change,
about themselves
okay.
or about the text they're reading.
Okay, they can be a good choice. Yes.
Well, thank you very much, Francisco, and thank you.
Okay.
Okay, that's it.